Hey foodies, James here from blogging Good Food, and today we are about to uncover the scientific magic behind everyone's favorite comfort dish, chicken noodle soup. What makes this simple soup a miraculous remedy and a delicious delight? Let's dive in and find out. The healing broth. First up, the magical elixir, the broth. It's more than just a tasty base. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can make you feel better when you are under the weather. The dance of ingredients. Watch as the chicken, noodles, and veggies perform a flavorful ballad, creating a symphony of taste that dances on your taste buds. The science of comfort. Did you know that warm chicken noodle soup can actually help soothe a sore throat and clean up congestion? It's like a warm hug for your insides. The magical fusion, umami alchemy. Ever wondered why chicken noodle soup is so irresistibly savory? It's the magical fusion of umami flavors. The chicken mushrooms and a hint of soy sauce create a symphony that will make your taste buds sing. The secret weapon, homemade love. What's the secret ingredient to any great dish? It's love. When you make your chicken noodle soup with love, it becomes not just a meal, but a heartwarming experience. So, stir it that extra spoonful of love. The art of presentation. Now that our magical chicken noodle soup is ready, let's talk about the art of presentation. A feast for the eyes is the first step to delighting your senses. Sprinkle some fresh herbs, add a swirl of cream, and watch as your simple soup transforms into a culinary masterpiece. Sharing the magic. The true magic of chicken noodle soup lies in sharing it with loved ones. Gather around the table, share stories, and savor the warmth together. After all, the joy of good food is meant to be shared. So pass that magic along and create unforgettable moments with your favorite people. Who knew that size, magic, and a dash of love could taste so good? If you enjoyed this journey into the world of chicken noodle soup, hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious discoveries, and remember, stay magical, foodies.